In this video, we will explain how you can chemically clean your dishwasher. Proper cleaning will increase the service life of your appliance. The water should be changed before cleaning. The following items are shown in this video. Regularly check whether your warewashing baskets need to be replaced. You can obtain a new basket from our website. To do this, you need to measure your old basket. You need the length, width and height of your warewashing basket in order to place an order. Switch on the dishwasher and let the rinsing cycle run normally. Now, remove the upper and lower arms. Use reamers to remove residues from the nozzles. To test if there are any residues left in the arms, rinse them with water. Remove the strainer and filter, and remove any residues or blockages if required. If necessary, clean with a dishwashing brush. Then, reinstall everything. For the chemical cleaning, now add the descaler to the machine. Rinse 3 to 4 times until the lime scale has completely dissolved. All items can be found at horeca-tiger.eu/en-eu. To receive further service tips and offers, subscribe to our newsletter. In the comments column below this video, you are welcome to leave us your feedback and tell us which topics you are interested in.